tea. I am so sorry that I took 3 weeks to film another video. I just went to Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Came back last week. It was absolutely so much fun. Water was like pool water. It's just muy bonita. And you know, I was raised up in Houston, Texas, around Galveston, and there's literally flesh-eating bacteria in that water, so much fun. These are some pictures here of the trip. Absolutely fun. Saw so much sea life, iguanas. We had these like little chupacabra raccoon things get in our room, and then one pooped on our balcony the next morning. So yeah, but the one that got into our room got into some coffee grinds and my friend's bronzer. Yeah. We're gonna focus on the Masquerade by Juvia's today because my friend actually was kind enough to give me this palette when I went back home to Texas. So because I was around the ocean, I want to focus on these top 4 colors right here. It's like a sea green and all that. We're gonna be working with Ohi, Molly, DALLA, and ZOLA. So let's see what kind of ocean kind of look we can create with this. So this is the finished look. I call this Cozumel. It just reminds me of the ocean and the different hues of blues and greens, and I just wanted to do a look that kind of represented that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button because why wouldn't you? It's free and we all like free things in this world. Please don't forget to turn on those post notifications as well so that every time I post, you get a ding, 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 and you know that I'm posting. Stay cute, stay beautiful, stay safe, and thank you again for watching my video. Thank you for coming to my channel, and we'll see you in my next one.